Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to trade on KuCoin for beginners. First, you'll need to set up your account. Register with your email or phone, then complete identity verification to unlock full features. Don't forget to enable two-factor authentication for robust security. This ensures your assets are well protected from unauthorized access. Once your account is secure, it's time to fund it. You can deposit existing cryptocurrency from another wallet or buy crypto directly using a credit or debit card. KuCoin also supports various third-party payment channels for fiat deposits, offering great flexibility to get started with your trading journey. Now, let's explore the trading interface. Head to the spot trading section to find various trading pairs. Familiarize yourself with different order types. Limit orders for specific prices, market orders for instant execution, and stop limit orders for risk management. Keep an eye on your open orders and review your trading history. You're ready to place your first trade. Choose a trading pair, for example, Bitcoin versus USD. Decide whether you want to buy or sell, then input your desired price and the amount of crypto. Double-check all details before confirming your order. Once placed, you can monitor its execution and manage your positions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.